Hi everyone, so today I'll be making homemade pizza. I'll be making the dough from scratch as well, so keep tuned and I hope you enjoy this recipe. The next step is to prepare your toppings. Here I've got some mushrooms, some red onion, red pepper, green pepper, grated cheese, and I've also got the chicken, which is nice and ready. While waiting for my pizza, I've cut some potato in this sort of size and added it to vegetable oil, and I'm going to make some homemade chips. Right guys, there we have it, a lovely pizza. I'm now going to enjoy my food and hopefully see you soon. And if you have any requests of any cooking videos you want me to do, just comment below. Thank you, bye bye, stay safe.